Hey clouds, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this. So let's get started. I like to start off with my eyebrows just to give them a base. This Revlon eyebrow pencil is the best. And then next we're moving on to prepping the face for foundation. I'm using my SKY Beauty Co. Skylighter in Luna, which is the perfect way to prep your foundation for that natural glow after your foundation is finished. And also it's just a really good body and face highlight. Next, I like to add my VDL Illuminizing Primer, and obviously I use it way too much because it's empty and that looks a little funky, but that's okay. We're just gonna use the rest of it and call it a day. And I honestly didn't realize I used the whole bottle already, but yeah, good stuff. Now it's time to blend the goodness in and just get that skin on fleek. I am using the Morphe flathead brush. This is like my go-to brush unless I'm using a beauty blender. I was too lazy to go damp my beauty blender, so yeah. As you can see, I am just like pushing really hard, making sure that stuff gets deep into my skin. Oop, can't forget about the kitty ears, want to put that hair back. And then again, just going over with my fingers and fully massaging all that in. Next, we're taking the Anastasia Rivera palette and I'm going in with the Coastline shade. Now I am using the brush that came with that palette, so it's super easy. And what I'm doing is just basically putting it all over, but not really the mid lid. Next we're going to take Palm, and I'm taking the Morphe 411 brush, and I'm focusing that on the outer corner of the eye and just doing circular motions. Next we're going to Ace Beauty and taking these two shades right here and focusing them on the middle. I like to blend them just because that bottom yellow shade was a lot. So then take the other part of the brush and blend it all together, sister. And here's a good hack if you want a really poppin' pigment, use your finger. Don't be scared. So next we are just going to highlight the upper brow with that white and sandy color from the Anastasia Rivera palette. Next we are going to be doing eyeliner, and I need to focus hard for this wing look, baby. So BRB, and boom. I wish it worked like that in real life. It was not that easy, but we can all pretend. Next we are doing the mascara, and I love this mascara from Milani, the bigger and bigger lashes. It's just a really good mascara. My like go-to right now, definitely. Now we are just glossing up our lips with my SKY Beauty Co. lip gloss in Crystal Clear. I love this gloss. I literally use it every single day, whether I'm wearing makeup or not. Just saying. Now I'm doing my Il Makiage foundation. I love this foundation, and I thought I was going to be cute doing this. I'm going to be honest. Oh, yeah, that's what I get for thinking. But yeah, don't you see all these other Instagram girls, and they do it, and it looks so cute? How come every time I try it? Oh, reality. That's reality of it. So now we are just blending it in again with that same brush that we used to prep our face with. I like using the same brush just because it has all the preppiness, goodness on it already. Yeah, that makes sense. So we're going with it. Whenever I am applying my foundation, I just like to, as you can tell, I am doing it in bounces. Like you would think I am holding a beauty blender, but I do like to do the same technique with a foundation brush just because it really gets in there. Moving on to concealer, I am using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Bare, and I believe I am like a shade darker, but we're gonna roll with it. It's okay. And I just like to put a little tiny, I mean, it looks like a lot. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was a little bit, but we're just going to put that much amount on and then just pat it in gently again with those bounce-like motions. And we're not going to blend it in all the way. Hold up. Do not blend it in all the way. We are going to blend it in semi and then finish bronzing and then blend that all in together. So I just like doing that just because it just like, I don't know, I think it looks better and it just makes it not like patchy, if that makes sense. So yeah, try it out and let me know what you guys think. I'm going in with the bronzer, and I love this bronzer. This is probably like my favorite bronzer ever, and it's the Morphe Vlogger bronzer. I think it's so cute that the name is Vlogger, of course, because I'm a vlogger, but it's honestly just a really, really good bronzer, and it's just like the perfect pigment, the perfect shade, the perfect like texture and everything, so I highly recommend it. And then what I like to do when I'm contouring my nose, I like to get this Artis oval brush and just like really get in there and define it. Really get in there, girl. And then also I like to put it on the bottom of my lip just to like give that like fuller lip effect. Oh, gotta get some dancing in. Hold up, yeah. Okay, back to business. We are finishing our blending sesh and just really going in and blending it all together and making it look really nice. Again, this is just so it doesn't like look as patchy and it doesn't look like you have like concealer, bronzer, concealer. I just really think that's a good hack. Next, going in with the Milani Vino blush, and I put a little bit, just go in circles and then blend that out. Taking that same Vlogger bronzer, and we're going to focus that under our water lash line. Now we're going to set all this goodness in with our Morphe setting spray, and I love this stuff. I'll share it with you guys also. Yeah. So next we are going to move on to highlighting the face, and of course I'm using my SKY Beauty Co. Skylighter in Luna. I love this, guys. I use all my products every day because I am a little biased, but I honestly think they are the best natural organic cosmetics ever, and you guys can try a free lipstick now until July 10th. Do not sleep on this opportunity. Use discount code FIRST for a free lipstick. All you have to do is pay $8 for shipping, and I'm giving you guys this opportunity just so you guys can try the lipsticks out for yourself and not just like take my word for it, because I promise you guys, once you try it, it's gonna be like game changer. So I'm using my Sky Liquid Lipstick Duo, and I love this duo. It's like the perfect pink mauve, just gives it a little spice. So now I'm gonna finish my hair, and bam, we are all done. Look at this look, guys. It was such a easy but flawless and natural look. So I really love this look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Oh, get it, yeah. And I hope you guys had fun with this vlog. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a minute, so I definitely had fun creating this with you guys, and I honestly haven't done a voiceover makeup tutorial in a minute. So if you like this, I can do more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe to the Sky family because every sky needs their clouds. Bye, clouds. I love you.